Hey everyone, are you ready to create an awesome cartoon animation video without spending a dime? In today's video, I'll walk you through how to use Animoto AI, a free AI-powered animation tool, to bring your creative ideas to life. Animoto AI is beginner-friendly and packed with features that make cartoon animation super easy. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Sign up for Animoto AI. Start by visiting animotoai.com and creating a free account. Signing up is simple and takes just a few minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll find an intuitive dashboard designed to make animation fun and effortless for everyone. Step 2. Choose a cartoon template. Animoto AI provides a variety of pre-made templates for cartoon animations. Browse through their library and pick a template that fits the theme of your video. For example, you might select a fun adventure template or a simple explainer animation. Step 3. Customize your characters. Now comes the fun part. Use Animoto AI's character customization tool to create your animated characters. Choose their appearance, including hair, clothing, facial expressions, and more. You can even upload a photo to help the AI generate a character that looks like you. Step 4. Add your story or text. If you have a script or story, simply upload it into the text box. Animoto AI will analyze the text and automatically create animated scenes to match the flow of your story. Don't have a script? Use Animoto's built-in prompts to spark ideas and get started. Step 5. Review and edit your video. Before finalizing your animation, preview the video to ensure everything looks perfect. Adjust character movements, transitions, or timing if needed. Animoto AI makes editing simple with its drag and drop interface. Step 6. Export and share. Once your cartoon animation is ready, export it in HD quality. Animoto AI allows free downloads, so you can easily share your masterpiece on YouTube, Instagram, or wherever you like. Conclusion. And that's it. With Animoto AI, creating cartoon animations is as easy as pie, even for beginners. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more AI tips, and comment below with your animation ideas. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.